All right, we got here. I want to make you aware of something that you can do if you have a garnishment that you're paying on. We had a client come in that actually watched from YouTube that happened to be local here in Wisconsin, and he stopped by the office and he was like, first he wanted to stop by to just see if we were real, and then once he saw that we were real, we looked at his garnishment, and he was looking to reopen the garnishment, and this is something that I had to remind myself to do no matter what. When someone has a garnishment and they're looking to reopen it, is one other thing that you should always look at is to see if they were even legally able to garnish you or one of my customers. And so what we did is we looked up which in Wisconsin it's called this. You see that document. Most states have something similar to it. There are 4 states, I believe, that don't even allow garnishments, where people could take stuff out of your paycheck. But basically, in this one here, when we looked up, I said, well, how do you get paid? What's your gross pay each week? And he had stated his gross pay. And then I said, how many dependents do you have? And he said he had 5. And later when we looked at it, he had 6 actually listed on his pay stub. So that would be the proof that would be used. And basically, according to what he had, even with just 5 dependents, and the pay for biweekly wouldn't even qualify to be garnished. So simply, we did it, but you can do it for yourself, or he could have did it, is you just simply write a letter and you notify the debt collector that went to court for the creditor, and you also notify your job with that letter, and you would attach this here. This here for Wisconsin is under subchapter 767, which is exemptions. The debtor's earnings are totally exempt from garnishment under this subchapter if the debtor's income is below the poverty guideline, which is listed here. For Wisconsin, they update this from July 1st to July 1st, 2021 to June 30th, 2022. They update it every 6 months, where it can go up a little bit or it could go down. I'm thinking that due to what's going on now with the cost of living, they're going to lower it. They're going to raise it to allow to make it harder to garnish people. Now, the things that don't happen is it doesn't make the judgment go away. The judgment is still going to be there. And I did notify him that that's going to be something that you have to deal with in the future. But it will stop the garnishment, and any monies that's been paid are supposed to be returned to him. That's the way that it's always happened with other people that this has happened with. So you need to look at your state laws on garnishment. They may call it something different. If you earn more than the guidelines, then there's going to be a worksheet that will determine the amount that you can be garnished. So you could either get it lowered or you can get it to where it's stopped. So I just want to make you aware of that, just in case you have a garnishment in place. If you need help with your credit, please visit us at thecreditrepairshop.com. Watch the video, What Makes Us Different, where we show you our 8-point validation process. And then we also help you with settlements if it gets to that point. If you need your credit reports and scores, go to the website yourorder3scores.com, and you can get all 3 reports, all 3 scores. And if you need help with debt collectors that are coming after you, you can download the 3 free letters: cease and desist collection activities letter, statute of limitations letter, and a debt validation letter. You can use one of those pertaining to your particular situation. Thank you for your time.